Hey Cody, it's Mrs. Plotner. Hey, sorry that I couldn't actually physically be here. Fourth period, they've got me running all over the dang place. It's driving me nuts. So I'm just gonna kind of walk you through the lesson for today that's going on in social studies. And here's the deal: you get the map done. You can sort of use the iPad at your leisure, as long as you're not looking up anything that's going to get me fired on it. All right, brother. So let's just get the map done, and then hopefully I'll be able to come and check in on you. Um, I'm going to be bopping in and out. Okay. So you should have in front of you, it says Greece map. Just go ahead and put your name on it. Let's get this done today. The due date is today. The textbook is here and the atlas. Okay. So you're going to need to open up the textbook to page 152. I might just have that open for you so you don't have to worry about that. But we're going to talk about the geography of Greece, all right, because that's the next unit that we're doing. So you'll notice on page 152 in the textbook, Greece is a peninsula, so it's surrounded by water on three sides, and it's a country in Europe. So you have the Mediterranean Sea, the Aegean Sea. Take a minute and locate Mount Olympus, which is towards the north, the northern end of the country. All right. There's different city states: Sparta, Athens, Marathon. There's not any rivers, there's no deserts. So these people, they didn't irrigate land using the rivers. Okay. They were merchants. They used the sea to trade their goods. They did grow a lot of olives for olive oil, and that made them very wealthy, but this piece of land is a little bit different than some of the other pieces of land because they didn't irrigate to grow crops. Okay, so let's take a look at the directions for the map. It says assignments, requirements. Follow all directions closely and to label all and only the items listed below. You're also going to need the atlas on page 28, 29, 30, 31. You might have to kind of analyze and flip through to try to find some of these cities, okay? So we're going to label the following cities and identify the location with a dot. So we have Athens, Mycenae, Thebes, Corinth, Olympia, Marathon, Knossos, Sparta, and Troy. I'll write on your map maybe some like cheat sheets where you can like find some of the stuff a little bit quicker to help you out, all right? So we're going to label and color the following bodies of water blue. We have the Aegean Sea, the Ionian Sea, and the Mediterranean Sea. We're going to label the following island features. We have Crete and Rhodes. We are going to label the following mountain range: Mount Olympus. That's where they believed their gods and goddesses lived. If you've heard of like Zeus and Hera and Aphrodite, okay. We're going to label the continent Europe someplace on our map. We're going to draw a compass rose that includes our four cardinal directions: north, east, south, and west, and then our intermediate directions. We're going to do the key, and I'm just going to show that to you in just a second. Neatly color, blah, 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 capitalize proper nouns. Okay, great. So if you flip over your rubric, this is the direction the map should be on the back, okay? It's a little confusing because it's hard to tell what's water and what's land. That's where you kind of have to analyze pretty carefully, okay? So like this right here, this area is water, and then right here is the land, okay? And the key should be at the bottom. Let me go ahead and show you what it will end up looking like. It's mostly land and water, but here's what yours will end up looking like, all right? So here's the example. Here's the key. If you want to take a minute, you can fill in the key, just the cities, mountains. I just wrote like ABC, those are the islands. Like you can see Crete is here, oceans. I went ahead and put my compass rose on the actual key itself because I had room, and then I just wrote ancient Greece. So this is what it'll end up looking like. You see the cities, the mountains. I wrote Europe right here, okay? You don't have to color all the green. Just try to shade in the water the best you can. All right, so not a whole heck of a lot going on this map. On Thursday, what's today? Tuesday. On Thursday, we're going to be creating a postcard based on the geography of Greece. So we will work on this activity right here. Ancient Greece geography, cause and effect. I might be able to come back 5th period and kind of walk you through this, but if not, no big deal. Just kind of relax a little bit. I'm going to do another video for this, and if we get done, we can go ahead and start working on our geography of ancient Greece. All right, I hope that helped. Do the best you can. All right, I'll see you later.